Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 11 maths chapter 10 conic sections. We are going through the concepts of this chapter, children. And we have learnt about the equation of a circle in the previous videos, and we also started learning about few particular cases in finding out the equation of a circle. Okay, so this is the second video in that, and now we will see what we are going to learn. The first thing we learned is about the equation of a circle, where we get it by finding out the radius. So this is the standard equation of the circle: x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, where x comma y is a point P on the circle and h comma k is called the center of the circle. Okay, and the first case which we learned was this, wherein we had a circle wherein it passes through the origin. So one point was 0, 0. So this was the point P, this was the point h, k. Okay, so we had to find out the distance between this point and this point. Okay, so that we were able to do it, and we derived to this equation. Hope you understood these kind of questions, children, and hope you practice these kind of questions. If not, please do it then and there, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now let's get into the next case. The center is going to lie on the x-axis or on the y-axis. Okay, when you look at these pictures itself, you can find out. Okay, you can see the center is on the x-axis. Okay, on the x-axis means what? The y coordinate will be 0. If the center is going to be on the y-axis, what will be 0? The x coordinate will be 0. So automatically, when you are writing the center of the circle, you can see that either the x coordinate or the y coordinate will be 0 depending on where the center is going to lie. That is, on which axis we are going to have the center. What if it is going to lie on the x-axis? So we know the center is going to be h, k. If it is on the x-axis, then we know y coordinate will be 0. So what is the y coordinate? K. So k is going to be 0. So what is the standard form? We know x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. If k is 0, this value will be 0. So it will be only y square. Similarly, if it is going to lie on the y-axis, what is going to lie? The center of the circle. Okay, so if it is going to lie on the y-axis, then we can say that h is going to be 0. So in that case, the equation will be x squared plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Is it clear, children? Yes. Have you understood this? So this is how you will have to proceed with these kind of questions. Now let's try to do for one value. Okay, for one diagram we are going to try solving. So for this one we will try solving the equation. So here you know the standard equation: x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square, okay, equal to r square. Okay, here we are given the radius is going to be 5. Okay, the radius is 5, and then what is given? Instead of x comma y, okay, so we have the points to be what? So instead of this point is going to be 2, 3, isn't it, children? And here you have h, 0. Okay, so all this we are given. So x comma y, you have 2, 3, and instead of h, k, you have h, 0. Okay, so from this we are asked to find out the equation. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we are going to find out this value h. Okay, so can we do that, children? So while substituting all these values here, so what we will get: x minus h, you will get 2 minus h the whole square plus y minus k. K is 0, so y square will be equal to r square. So this will be 4 plus h square minus 4h plus instead of y also you have the value to be 3. So instead of 3 square you have 9 equal to, instead of 5 you have 20, instead of 5 square you have 25. Okay, so you are going to get h square minus 4h. You have 9 plus 4 will be 13, so you have 25 here. So when you do 25 minus 13, you will have 12 you will have. So it will be, when it comes to this side, it will be minus 12 equal to 0. Now we will have to solve this by using the normal quadratic equation sum and product method. So you have minus 12. So you're going to separate it. We know 6 2s are 12. So you need minus 12 here as well as minus 4. So we'll put minus 6 here. Okay. So it will be h minus 6 into h plus 2. Okay. So which will be equal to 0. So h is going to be equal to 6 or h is going to be equal to minus 2. Okay. So now we have two methods wherein we can get the answer. So what do we have here? So here the equation of circle can be in two ways. So here for h you can have it as minus 2 comma 0 or you can have it as 6 comma 0. Okay. So using these two values we can calculate the equation. So you can calculate it like x minus, so for h what did you get? For h you got 6 and then minus 2. Okay, so for h is equal to 6, so what you will get? X minus h the whole square plus y square. So x minus 6 the whole square plus y square equal to r square, that will be 5 square. So you will get x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square will be equal to 5 square. Okay, so we'll take that also here, so that we'll make the right hand side 0. So it will be minus 25 will be equal to 0. So you have x square plus y square minus 12x. So 36 minus 25, you have plus 11 equal to 0. So this is one equation. Okay. So what is the next equation which we can have? We can have it for h is equal to minus 2. So it will be x minus of minus 2 the whole square plus y square equal to 5 square. So it is nothing but x plus 2 the whole square. So it will be x square plus 4 plus 4x. Okay. So plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. So you have x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. So have we got these equations, children? Yes. So the equations of the circles are like this. Okay. So with this also we can find out. So this is the method you will find out the equation of the circle when the center is going to lie on the x-axis or the y-axis. So children, so this is how you will have to find out the equation of a circle when the center of the circle is going to lie on the x-axis or on the y-axis. Okay. So hope you understood this. If you have any doubts in the concepts in the basic standard form of the circle, please get back to those videos, children. Even if you know this basic standard equation and if you understand how to solve when these kind of questions are given, it will be easy for you. Please try to solve as many questions as possible so that it will be easy for you during your exams. So see you again in the next video, children. Thank you, children.